Hey everybody, it's Matt with Everywhere Auto Repair. Today we're going to be working on a 2020 Dodge Challenger. The customer put diesel fuel into their fuel tank. I'm going to show you how to get it out. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove your back seat. So this is really easy. You're just going to grab it by the corner and pull it up, and then go to the other corner and pull it up. See, like it would be like right here, and just pull it up. Here, let's go around the other side. And then I've got this little hose that I hooked up. Okay, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. So you take the back seat out, and then there's this little plastic cover covering the fuel pump. And then there's this little line right here hooks up to the fuel pump. You press this button, and then there's another one back here. You press both of those and then pull it off. And then I've got this little hose right here that came out of a kit from a pump from Harbor Freight, and I just hooked it right up to this little nozzle right here. And then I've got the hose coming out here. Now I've got my scan tool hooked up because I wanted to go in and just activate the fuel pump. I'm still trying to see if that works, but because this is a 2020 Dodge Challenger, you need a special secure gateway authorization from FCA, which I have. It's all on my Snap-on account, but it's not letting me do special functions. I don't really know. But I'm going to show you how to get around that. As long as you've got your hose hooked up and you've got your little fuel tank, something to drain the fuel in, it's not a big deal. Watch. So if you don't have a scan tool that can turn the fuel pump on, you hear that? All I'm doing is cycling the key, and every time I do that, more fuel goes in. And then let's look at the fuel gauge. We were at a half a tank, and now we're at a quarter tank. Okay, now you can see that we've got the tank completely empty. We're gonna go ahead and take that off, spill a little fuel while we're at it. It's not gonna be a big deal though. Take our little fuel line, press it back on, all the way, and then set this guy up in there. Now it's already broken, it's like cheap plastic, so can't really do a whole lot there. And just kind of set that down and take our back seat, put it back in. Well, there you have it, guys. No big deal. If you have a scan tool to run the fuel pump, go ahead and do it. If you don't, which I'm assuming most people don't unless you're at a dealer or whatever, just go ahead and cycle the ignition. It'll take a little while, but it'll get all the fuel out. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Keep an eye up the hill, guys.